Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to create your own online course from scratch. Whether you're an expert in your field or just passionate about sharing knowledge, building an online course can open new doors for you. We'll cover everything from planning your content to launching your course and attracting students. Let's get started on this exciting journey to becoming an online educator. First, let's talk about why online courses are so popular and how they can benefit both creators and learners. Online courses have revolutionized the way people learn. They offer flexibility, accessibility, and the ability to reach a global audience. For creators, online courses provide a platform to share expertise, build a personal brand, and even generate income. Learners benefit from the convenience of studying at their own pace and accessing a wide variety of topics. Understanding these advantages can help motivate you as you embark on your course creation journey. Now, let's move on to choosing the right topic for your course. Selecting the right topic is crucial for your online course's success. Start by considering your own expertise and passions. What subjects do you know well enough to teach? Next, think about what your potential students want to learn. Research trending topics, check online forums, and see what's in demand. Ideally, your course topic should sit at the intersection of your knowledge and market needs. Once you have a few ideas, narrow them down to the one you feel most confident and excited about. Understanding your target audience is key to creating a course that resonates. Ask yourself, who are your ideal students? What are their goals, challenges, and skill levels? Creating a detailed learner profile helps you tailor your content, language, and teaching style. Consider their age, background, and motivation for taking your course. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to design lessons that truly meet their needs. With your audience in mind, you can now start outlining your course structure. Clear learning objectives guide both you and your students. They define what learners should know or be able to do by the end of your course. Start by listing the key skills or knowledge areas you want to cover. Make your objectives specific, measurable, and achievable. For example, instead of saying understand marketing, say create a basic marketing plan. Well-defined objectives keep your course focused and help students track their progress. Next, let's look at how to organize your content. A well-structured outline is the backbone of any successful online course. Begin by breaking your topic into main modules or sections. Each module should focus on a specific theme or skill. Within each module, list the individual lessons or topics you'll cover. This approach helps you organize your ideas and ensures a logical flow. Don't forget to include assessments, activities, or quizzes to reinforce learning. With your outline in place, you're ready to start developing your course materials. Online courses can take many forms, from video lectures to written guides, audio lessons, or interactive activities. Consider your strengths and your audience's preferences. Video is engaging and personal, while written content is easy to reference. You might also include downloadable resources, quizzes, or discussion forums. Mixing formats can enhance the learning experience and keep students motivated. Once you've chosen your formats, you can start creating your course content. If you're creating video or audio lessons, writing scripts can help you stay organized and deliver information clearly. Start by outlining the main points for each lesson. Write in a conversational tone, as if you're speaking directly to your students. Keep your language simple and avoid jargon unless you explain it. Practice reading your scripts aloud to ensure they flow naturally. Well-prepared scripts make recording easier and help you stay on track. Recording high-quality video lessons doesn't require expensive equipment. Use a good smartphone or webcam, and make sure you have adequate lighting and clear audio. Choose a quiet location and minimize background distractions. Speak clearly and maintain eye contact with the camera to engage your audience. You can use slides, screen recordings, or demonstrations to illustrate key points. Remember, authenticity is more important than perfection. Once you've recorded your videos, you can edit them for clarity and flow. Editing is where your course comes together. Review your videos or written materials for clarity, accuracy, and flow. Trim unnecessary sections and add visuals or graphics to enhance understanding. Use editing software to cut out mistakes and add transitions or captions. For written content, proofread carefully and format for readability. Well-edited content looks professional and helps students stay focused. Once editing is complete, you're ready to assemble your course materials. Supplement your course with downloadable resources like worksheets, checklists, or templates. These materials help reinforce learning and give students practical tools they can use. Design your resources to be clear, concise, and visually appealing. PDFs are a popular format because they're easy to access on any device. Make sure your resources align with your course objectives and add real value for your students. Next, let's look at how to structure your course for easy navigation. A logical course structure helps students navigate your content easily. Organize your modules and lessons in a sequence that builds knowledge step by step. Use clear titles and descriptions for each section. Consider adding a course roadmap or syllabus at the beginning to give students an overview. Consistent structure and navigation make your course more user-friendly and help learners stay on track. Now, let's talk about choosing the right platform to host your course. There are many platforms available for hosting online courses, such as Udemy, Teachable, and Thinkific. Each platform offers different features, pricing, and audience reach. Consider your needs. Do you want built-in marketing tools? Do you need support for quizzes or certificates? Compare platforms based on ease of use, customization options, and fees. Choose the one that best fits your goals and technical skills. Once you've selected a platform, you can start uploading your course materials. Uploading your course materials is a straightforward process on most platforms. Follow the platform's instructions to add videos, documents, and resources to each module. Pay attention to file formats and size limits. Organize your content in the same logical order as your course outline. Add titles, descriptions, and any necessary instructions for each lesson. Double-check that all files are accessible and display correctly. With your content uploaded, you're almost ready to launch your course. Deciding how much to charge for your course can be challenging. Research similar courses to see what others are charging. Consider your course's length, depth, and unique value. Some platforms let you offer your course for free, while others support one-time payments or subscriptions. You might also offer discounts or bundles. Set a price that reflects the quality of your content and the value it provides to students. Next, let's look at how to create an engaging course landing page. Your course landing page is your main sales tool. Use a clear, compelling headline that highlights the benefits of your course. Include a brief description, a list of key features, and testimonials if available. Add a promotional video or sample lesson to give potential students a taste of your teaching style. Use high-quality images and a clean layout. Make sure your call to action button stands out. A well-designed landing page can significantly boost enrollments. A short promotional video can help attract students to your course. Keep it under 2 minutes and focus on the value your course provides. Introduce yourself, explain what students will learn, and highlight any unique features. Use engaging visuals and upbeat music to capture attention. End with a clear call to action, inviting viewers to enroll. Upload your promo video to your landing page and share it on social media to reach a wider audience. Effective communication with your students is essential for a successful course. Set up channels for students to ask questions, give feedback, or discuss course topics. Many platforms offer built-in messaging, forums, or email notifications. Respond promptly and encourage interaction to build a supportive learning community. Clear communication helps students stay motivated and engaged throughout the course. It's time to launch your course. Announce your course to your email list, social media followers, and professional network. Consider offering a special launch discount or bonus to encourage early enrollments. Monitor your platform for any technical issues and be ready to support your first students. A successful launch sets the tone for your course and helps you build momentum. After launch, focus on gathering feedback and making improvements. Feedback from your students is invaluable for improving your course. Ask for reviews, ratings, and suggestions after each module or at the end of the course. Use surveys or direct messages to gather insights. Pay attention to common questions or areas where students struggle. Use this feedback to update your content, clarify explanations, or add new resources. Continuous improvement keeps your course relevant and effective. Online learning is always evolving, so it's important to keep your course up to date. Regularly review your materials for outdated information or broken links. Add new lessons or resources as needed to reflect changes in your field. Notify students when you make updates so they can benefit from the latest content. Keeping your course current shows your commitment to quality and helps maintain student satisfaction. A strong learning community can enhance your course's value. Encourage students to connect with each other through forums, group projects, or social media groups. Host live Q&A sessions or webinars to foster interaction. A supportive community helps students stay motivated, share ideas, and solve problems together. As the course creator, be active in the community and set a positive tone. Promotion is key to attracting students. Use social media, email marketing, and your website to spread the word. Collaborate with influencers or partners in your niche to reach a wider audience. Share valuable content related to your course topic to build trust and authority. Consider running ads or offering affiliate programs. Consistent promotion helps keep your course visible and drives enrollments. Email marketing is a powerful tool for course creators. Build an email list of interested learners and keep them engaged with regular updates, tips, and exclusive offers. Segment your list based on interest or progress to send targeted messages. Use email automation to welcome new students, remind them of upcoming lessons, or encourage course completion. Effective email marketing can boost enrollments and keep students coming back for more. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn are great for promoting your course. Share behind-the-scenes content, student testimonials, and valuable tips related to your course topic. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Use hashtags and join relevant groups to increase your reach. Social media helps you build a community and keep your course top of mind for potential students. Partnering with other educators, businesses, or influencers can expand your reach. Look for partners who share your target audience but aren't direct competitors. Collaborate on webinars, guest blog posts, or joint promotions. Partnerships can introduce your course to new learners and add credibility to your brand. Be clear about expectations and benefits for both parties to ensure a successful collaboration. Providing free content, such as sample lessons or downloadable resources, can attract new students and build trust. Share valuable tips or mini-courses on your website or social media. Free content showcases your teaching style and expertise, encouraging learners to enroll in your full course. Make sure your free offerings are high quality and relevant to your main course topic. Paid advertising can give your course a visibility boost. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads let you target specific audiences based on interests, location, or behavior. Start with a small budget and test different ad creatives to see what works best. Track your results and adjust your strategy as needed. Well-targeted ads can drive traffic to your landing page and increase enrollments. Monitoring your course analytics helps you understand student behavior and measure success. Most platforms provide data on enrollments, completion rates, and student engagement. Use this information to identify popular lessons, spot drop-off points, and improve your content. Analytics can also guide your marketing efforts by showing which channels bring in the most students. Regularly reviewing your data ensures your course stays effective and relevant. Helping students complete your course is important for their success and your reputation. Break content into manageable chunks and celebrate milestones. Send reminders or motivational messages to keep students on track. Offer certificates or badges for completing modules. Engaged students are more likely to finish your course and recommend it to others. Let's explore how to gather testimonials from satisfied learners. Testimonials from satisfied students can boost your course's credibility. Ask students to share their experiences and what they gained from your course. Display these testimonials on your landing page and promotional materials. Positive reviews help build trust with potential students and encourage more enrollments. Make it easy for students to submit feedback by providing a simple form or survey. Providing excellent support helps students overcome challenges and stay engaged. Set up a system for handling questions, technical issues, or refund requests. Respond to inquiries promptly and professionally. Offer FAQs or help guides to address common concerns. Good support leads to positive experiences and higher course completion rates. Now, let's discuss how to expand your course offerings. Once your first course is successful, consider creating additional courses on related topics. Expanding your course library can attract returning students and establish you as an authority in your field. Use feedback from your current students to identify new topics or skills they want to learn. Cross-promote your courses to maximize enrollments and build a loyal learning community. Your personal brand sets you apart from other course creators. Share your story, values, and teaching philosophy on your website and social media. Consistent branding helps students recognize and trust you. Use a professional photo, logo, and color scheme across all your materials. A strong personal brand attracts more students and opens up new opportunities for collaboration and growth. There are many ways to monetize your online course beyond direct sales. Consider offering coaching, consulting, or group workshops as add-ons. You might also create a membership site with ongoing content or exclusive resources. Affiliate marketing and sponsorships can provide additional income streams. Explore different options to find what works best for your audience and expertise. Protecting your intellectual property is important when teaching online. Use watermarks on videos or PDFs, and choose platforms with security features to prevent unauthorized sharing. Clearly state your copyright policy and terms of use. While it's impossible to prevent all piracy, taking these steps can deter misuse and protect your hard work. Before launching your course, make sure you understand any legal requirements. This may include copyright laws, privacy policies, and terms of service. If you collect student data, ensure you comply with data protection regulations. Consult a legal expert if you're unsure about any aspect. Taking care of legal details protects you and builds trust with your students. Creating and running an online course takes time and effort. Set a realistic schedule for content creation, promotion, and student support. Use productivity tools to stay organized and avoid burnout. Batch similar tasks together, like recording multiple videos in one session. Managing your time effectively ensures you can deliver a high-quality course and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Staying motivated throughout the course creation process can be challenging. Set small, achievable goals and celebrate your progress. Connect with other course creators for support and inspiration. Remember why you started and the impact your course can have on learners. Keeping your motivation high will help you overcome obstacles and reach your goals. There's always something new to learn from other online educators. Join communities or forums where course creators share tips, challenges, and successes. Attend webinars or workshops to stay updated on best practices. Learning from others can spark new ideas and help you avoid common pitfalls. Collaboration and networking are valuable for your growth as an online educator. Being open to feedback is essential for continuous improvement. Listen to your students and peers and be willing to make changes. Sometimes, small tweaks can make a big difference in student satisfaction. View feedback as an opportunity to grow and refine your teaching skills. Adapting to feedback ensures your course remains valuable and effective. Take time to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Completing your first course, reaching enrollment milestones, or receiving positive feedback are all worth celebrating. Recognizing your successes keeps you motivated and reminds you of the impact you're making. Share your wins with your community and thank your students for their support. As you gain experience, think about your long-term goals as an online educator. Plan for new courses, advanced topics, or even building your own learning platform. Stay updated on trends in online education and adapt your strategy as needed. Planning for the future helps you stay ahead and continue growing your impact. You've now learned the key steps to creating a successful online course, from choosing your topic to launching and promoting your content. Remember, the journey doesn't end here. Keep learning, improving, and connecting with your students. Your dedication can inspire and empower learners around the world. Take the next step and start building your course today. An online course is a structured program of learning delivered via the internet. It typically includes a series of lessons, resources, and assessments designed to teach a specific skill or subject. Online courses can be self-paced or instructor-led, and they often use a mix of video, text, and interactive elements. The flexibility and accessibility of online courses make them a popular choice for learners worldwide.